What is technical analysis? Technical analysis is the forecasting of future financial price movements based on an examination of past price movements. Technical analysis does not result in absolute predictions about the future. Instead, technical analysis can help investors anticipate what is likely to happen to prices over time based on past trends. How to do technical analysis. We will be going over 3 different aspects of technical analysis. Please keep in mind, technical analysis is a large topic, and there are many different ways of evaluating a stock using it. In this video, we will only be discussing a few of these types. The first type of technical analysis we will be going over is trendline chart-based technical analysis. Here is a long-term upwards trendline analysis. Here is another form of trend analysis, but over a shorter time frame. The short-term chart example shows a strong, stable level of support at the $47 level and a narrowing line top level of resistance. The stock broke out of that level of resistance in late December, which would be seen technically as a bullish near-term indicator. In doing chart-based trendline analysis, you should be looking towards prior stock daily highs and lows, which have been repeated and not penetrated or crossed over an extended period of time, as we see in this chart at the $47 level. The second type of technical analysis we will be going over is the use of long and short-term moving averages. For long-term technical analysis, I typically will look at the 50, 100, and 200-day moving averages. As you can see in this one-year chart of Corning, the 50-day moving average has been a significant level of resistance from early March 2015 until early October 2015. The stock in early October penetrated the 50-day moving average, which was viewed as very bullish signal for traders using technical analysis. Assuming the stock over the next few days continues to remain above this moving average, I would expect it to become a level of support for the stock in the near future. The chart also has 2 important technically significant events occurring in the same one-year chart. The green circle indicates a golden cross, which is when the 50-day moving average moves above or penetrates the 200-day moving average. A golden cross is seen as a bullish indicator. The red circle indicates a death cross, which is when the 50-day moving average moves below or breaches the 200-day moving average. A death cross is seen as a bearish indicator. Though these technically important crosses do send an important signal to investors, they do not always mean that the bullish or bearish activity will continue. The third type of technical analysis we will be going over is the RSI, or Relative Strength Index. The RSI is a technical momentum indicator. The RSI can be seen at the top of this chart from stock charts. The important levels of the RSI to keep in mind are the 30, 50, and 70 levels. When the stock is trading at, near, or below the 30 RSI level, it is considered technically an oversold territory and may lead to a near-term jump in price on positive news. The lower the RSI level is under 30, the more oversold the stock may be considered. You can see this clearly in the chart of Intel from late August. The RSI dipped below the 30 level while the stock saw a sharp decline in price, and shortly after, the price recovered along with the RSI. As the RSI is trading near the 50 level, this means the stock is technically considered trading in fair value territory. When a stock is trading at, near, or above the 70 RSI level, it is considered technically an overbought territory and may lead to a near-term profit taking and a decline in price on negative news. The higher the RSI level is over 70, the more overbought the stock is. You can see this clearly in this chart of Intel from late May. The RSI approached 70, while the stock saw a spike upwards in price, and shortly after, the price declined, along with the RSI. As of May 8th, Intel's RSI is over 70, after a sharp rise in price in a short period of time. What do you think will happen next?